Welcome to Excel at Excel. This video will show you how you can incorporate the data validation function into your worksheets. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can incorporate a data validation list. So I'm going to again use the the VLOOKUP and if error data, just to give you an example. So we've already done the VLOOKUP on here, we've got an if error, etc. But here we don't really want to type in the name each time, it's time consuming, etc. And if you've got a lot of data, you don't necessarily want to do that. So I want to be able to have a drop down list to actually select who I want to retrieve the data for. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go to the data tab. We're going to go to this one here, which is data validation. And we're going to select data validation. Comes up with a pop-up window and it says allow any value. So we don't want it to allow any value because we don't want the errors, etc. We want it to come from a list. So we select list, and the source is just asking us where that list is. So if it was a yes or no, like in my previous COUNTIF video, you could just put yes, no in there because it's a short list. You don't need to select that anyway. You can just type that in. Okay, and you can see here it comes up with yes or no, but it doesn't give us a result because yes or no isn't in our data that we're looking for. That's just an example if you have got just a simple yes or no to select. But so we're going to go back into data, we're going to go into data validation. We're not going to go for yes, no. We actually want the list to come from the list of names. So this could be in a different tab, it doesn't matter. Different workbook, it doesn't matter. But we're just going to highlight the names we've got here because that's actually, all the data we have. It absolutely references it for you. Okay, so that's fine. And then press OK. You could apply these changes to all other cells with the same settings if you wanted to. If you've got a big worksheet with lots of columns, you could do that, but we don't need that. So you press OK. So now it comes up with John Barnes and all the people on there. All right, so it's just a really quick way then, quite a smart way of selecting all the people you need, and it obviously gives you the same result. So that's a very simple way to use data validation.